Hello, so we're going somewhere today. We are going to walk. May kinukuha lang ako dito sa isang sasakyan. Yan, nagagamitin namin yung isa. Fall na. And I love fall. I love the colors ng mga leaves. Kaya punta kami ngayon sa isang park. Diba nag-yellow na? Nung nakaraan, ano lang yun? Nung nakaraan, green na green, ngayon yellow na. Nagpapagas lang kami, and then of course we're gonna stop to our favorite coffee place because I love matcha smoothie. Yeah. So ngayon ang topic natin is how much is our gastos here in the US. Yeah, for a family of 4, magkano ang gastos namin? So i-breakdown ko sa inyo kung magkano yung gastos namin per month. So yes, umpisahan natin sa bahay. May mamaya na kapag nag-drive na. Hinihintay ko si Phil kasi nasa gasolinahan. Bumili siya ng tubig. Nakalimutan ko magdala ng tubig. Nakakainis eh. Kaya ayoko ng napapagastos kami pero nakikita ko may dumi sa sa glass. Anyway, sige. Yun, kung magkano ang gastos namin per month sa family of 4, take note guys, etong gastos na to is ito yung hindi tipid. Okay, well, masasabi kong tipid din kami, pero ito yung gastos na may kasamang hindi naman luho, kasi sa akin ang luho is kapag hindi mo kayang bilhin yung isang bagay tapos sige ka pa rin ng sige, at yun ang luho para sa akin. Siguro masasabi ko na is reward to ourselves, kasi hindi naman ako mahilig sa gamit, hindi ako mahilig sa bag, hindi ako mahilig sa damit, hindi ako mahilig sa mga ganun, unless nagkikrave ako ng damit, ganun, bibili ko or whatever. Nagkikrave talaga parang pagkain pag may gusto lang ako, ganun. Pero hindi ako yung katulad ng ibang dapat my name, my brand, ganun, kung ano lang, kung anong komportable sa akin, yun lang ang binibili ko. Tapos so, siguro kasi kami may 3 sasakyan. So, i-less yun na yung sasakyan doon kung isa lang ang gagamitin nyo. Kasi kami may 3. So, meron kaming SUV kasi for family. Meron kaming itong sasakyan na Honda. Kumbaga, bawa, pupunta lang sa market or pupunta lang sa yung hindi masyadong or work, itong Honda. Kumbaga, extra. Tapos meron kami nung M2. Yun kasi is kumbaga yun ang masasabi ko, at saka yung SUV kasi yun ang mahilig kami sa sasakyan. So yun ang masasabi kong medyo mahal sa amin. Yeah, mag-stop over muna daw siya. Bibili siya ng para sa phone holder. Yeah, SI. Honey. Yun, masabi ko kasi yung sasakyan medyo mahal sa amin. Yun ang medyo mahal monthly. Kasi yun ang gusto namin. Kumbaga sa luho, hindi kami malusag damit or sa pero sa sasakyan, yun. Pero alam nyo guys, masasabi ko yun ang dream car namin. Oo. Yung noon, nung walang-wala, hindi naman walang-wala, pero paycheck to paycheck kami noon. Nakalimutan ko yung hikaw ko. Ang sasakyan namin, isang sasakyan lang, tapos hindi ako nagbo-work, paycheck to paycheck lang kasi kami noon. Tapos nung nangangarap ako noon, sabi ko, gusto ko noon yung Mazda kasi 3-seater siya na SUV para sa mga bata ako. So nangangarap ako noon na magkaroon ng ganun sasakyan. Tapos hindi ko na alam, ngayon may sasakyan na kami nag-iba na yung pangarap ko, naging yung BMW na, tsaka yun. So dun kami medyo magastos, tsaka sa pagkain. So ito, yung gastos na to is sa amin lang. So depende of course sa family, per family.
Oh wait.
I'm trying to put this one, guys.
Oh.
Okay. No, I put it there, but I did not put this one on.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
You just gotta push it hard, right?
No, you know what? It's weird because it doesn't want to get in.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
So powerful.
Hold on.
It's throwing the bullet.
Uh-oh. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Go in. I think it's much better than the hang one. I don't know.
No, I like the hang one.
You don't
actually.
Because this one will do the thing will leave marks on our car.
Yeah, that's.
Hindi pa nga na traffic na. Ah, ba yan? Traffic na hanggang doon. That's why there's a lot of cars. That's why there's a lot of cars because they go to the pumpkin patch over there. Yeah. Oh wow. No, last time there was no corns in there. Yeah, nagkukuha sila ng mga pumpkin. Kaso sila, Vivi doesn't like it anyway. She doesn't enjoy those. Like, yeah, and there's place to go or sit, right? Remember, like it's so hot and there's no place to sit, and so that's why after that we didn't go. There's a lot more, but yeah, it's just yeah, the one in California. Oh yeah, that's true. I remember that. Yeah, but now Vivi really doesn't like it, so we just don't go. This is the second year na we did not go. We'll just buy at store if we need a pumpkin. Look at this, guys. Ang daming tao ngayon. Usually pag Sunday, in Sunday, not too many people, but today is like too many people, too many cars, right? It's like all the way over there. Yeah. Ang ganda na ng mga lake. What lake? Ah. Oh, look at it's beautiful. Oh. See? It's beautiful. Everyone's stopping by to look at the view. Yeah, and then sa susunod wala na yung mga leaves na yan na tawag dito na nalaglag na yung mga leaves. Oh my gosh, what is he doing? Short, right? State Park. Okay. What? Is it? Oh man, I know. And it's not even, the trees are not even that changing color yet. That's weird. Maybe next week? I don't know.
Yeah, because it's not bright, right?
Yeah, last time we were here it was parking, guys. Volunteer.
Yes.
What you getting, Darby? Just hiking today or just
Yeah, just walking around.
Just walking around.
Yeah.
If you'll follow this road right here for me, there'll be 2 or 3 people down here that can get you parked.
Okay, thank you.
Alright.
Baby, you want me to drop you?
No, we can walk. Think over there. Maraming tao. There's too many people. Everybody's out today because it's nice weather. Oh, look at that little kid will help us park. Ayan. Punta muna kami ang bathroom. Ay ko. Parang hirap na hirap ako. Pwede din kayo mag-golf dito. Golfing. I'm sorry, baby. Daming tao. Yan, nasa gift shop na naman kami. Yan. Ito is $26. 26 this shirt. Yeah, it will fit on you. Looks good on you.
It's too thin, dude.
Well, if you're just gonna wear it at home or going to the... I like this one. I got a hat. It's like... I like a jacket, but not that.
Do you like a jacket?
Yeah, it's in North Face.
North Face?
Yeah.
Alright. Can we get it?
Yeah, when we get home. Online.
Oh, online?
Yeah. Oh, that's not bad. It's only $40.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Well, you can. I would think it would fit. It's okay.
Is this a necklace? Or is this...
That's a necklace. This is a bracelet. Probably. But it's cute. Oh, that's much better. And then this one I got a magnet. Yeah. Oh, that's funny. So dark, look. I'm gonna go this way. How do you do this way? That was like so funny. Oh, diba? Pwede na. Do you want to put that in the... Do you remember what's in there? Oopsie. Masyadong maraming tao ngayon. Pero yan, may lake. Pwede kayong tawag dito. It's a beautiful day. What? Oh, wow. Guys, it's so beautiful. Pero yung puno, hindi pa nag-iiba ng kulay dito. Green-green pa siya. Sorry.
This is definitely one of the nicest parks.
Yeah.
Bunch of...
But the
Not too hot, not too
yeah,
cold.
the leaves are not picked yet. So
Yeah.
probably next week we should go back here and
Yeah.
look at the leaves. Maybe it's gonna pick. Yeah. Yan, lakad ulit. Medyo malaki yung park na to. So, let's go. Not cold. This is just right. So you can walk around here. If you live here, you can exercise every day. Walk here. Just walk. They have cabins you can rent. So sabi dun sa store, you have to book in advance like 13 months, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not bad. The prices are not bad. Oh, look at this. It's beautiful. Yan. So, tomorrow may pasok na ako. And kaya punta na kami. Pero babalik pa kami dito kasi maganda yung leaves niya. Hindi pa siya peak season ng falls. So, pero mukhang iba siya this year. Iba siya every year. So, favorite season ko talaga yung fall kasi nakikita mo kung gaano kabilis yung panahon. Last year lang ganito siya, mawawala na naman yung mga dahon. Ano mo? It's nice, right? Pink. Yan. I think it's a dead mushroom.
Yeah, it's a dead mushroom, yeah.
Look at that. Meron din ditong falls, pero hindi na kami nagpunta kasi mukhang maraming tao.
I haven't gotten a lot of rain.
So, at saka, I think it's a man-made falls anyway.
Yeah, I think so.
It's a man-made falls naman, so
Yeah, I think so.
hindi naman siya natural na falls. So, see that? So beautiful.
Red maple. So this is a red maple.
Ah.
So this is a cattle forest, a spring rise of red buds. Buds and seeds are food for squirrels and birds.
Mm. Do you have maple?
Oh, so red maple sap can be used like that as sugar.
Oh, really?
It's not as sweet.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow, look at this. It's beautiful over here.
Mm.
They
hatch and then they all fall in the water and then the trout eat them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think it's called a mayfly.
Oh, okay.
Some kind of fly, like.
So we're gonna look for food. Kasi gutom na kami. Malamig pa naman. Pwede pa. Andiyan.
Where are you gonna work?
I know. Nasira yung kabibili lang naming cellphone holder. $30 pa naman yun. Biglang nasira kasi inaayos ni Phil. Tapos biglang nasira. Ayun, wala na. Nag-stop over kami sa Mexican restaurant. Kakain kami ng ayan, chips. May natin pag-usapan yung gastos. Yun guys, hindi na ako nakapag-video kahapon kasi nabisi naman na me. Tsaka parang pagod na rin ako, may pasok na ako today. Pero tapusin na natin yung video. Yun nga yung gastos namin is depende sa family. So kung less yung mga bills nyo, syempre mas may ipon kayo. So una, sa bahay, yung bahay is binili na namin. So mortgage na to. So $3,000 a month yung bahay. Yun yung every month na binabayaran namin. And then guys, sa sasakyan, dito tayo magkakatalo kasi medyo mahal siya. So if isa lang sasakyan nyo or dalawa lang, kasi dito kung nasan kami is walang transportation. Mahal Uber, mahal lang and then nag-work ako, si Phil. Well, nasa bahay lang naman si Phil. Pero you know, sometimes I believed parang Miss Universe, lang. I believe na kung nagwo-work hard ka, deserve mo yung things na gusto mo para ma-motivate kang mag-work. Kasi kung hindi, tama rin ka mag-work. Ako nga meron na pang motivation, ayaw ko pang pumasok. So, sa sasakyan, 1,300, isang sasakyan lang yon. And then sumunod is 900 yung BMW, yung M2. And then yung Honda na sports, hindi ko alam kung Civic ba yun, Accord, sorry. Yun is 550. So, magkano na yun? Siyempre, pag may sasakyan ka, may insurance ka. So, dito sa Jamaica, sa US, hindi pwedeng walang insurance. So, yes, ang insurance namin is around mga nasa $550 every month. So, ina yung gente is $300. Nagtatalo-talo kami ng mga coworker ko nung nakaraan kasi sa kanila daw is $300 din daw. Pero maliit lang ang bahay niya. Tapos yung isa namang coworker ko is nasa $70 na. So, nagtatalo-talo sila. Bakit daw yung maliit yun sa kanya? Tapos sa amin daw malaki. Tapos sa kanya, sabi niya, bakit daw maliit naman yung bahay niya, pero ang laki ng binabayaran. So, yun. Yung tubig, ang tubig dito sa amin every month is $100. Kapag hindi ka nagbayad ng 2 months. Tapos guys, dahil medyo malaki yung yard namin, may tagalinis, may nagpuputol ng mga, mga kung anek-anek. Tapos nagbo-blower ng mga dried leaves. So, isa pa yun na binabayaran namin every month, which is $230. Ano pa ba? Dapat pala nilista ko, pero yun yung mga main things. Tapos sa phone namin, sa phone bills is nasa $250. TV and internet. So, cable, may bayad din dito. Tsaka yung internet, magkasama na sila. Ang every month namin doon is nasa $250 din. Actually, minsan $280 nga. Depende kapag bumili ko ng movies sa TV, yun nadadagdagan. Pero $250 usually, I think. So, yun ang mga main na gastos namin every month. Siyempre, sa pagkain, hindi pa tapos. Sa pagkain din, magkakatalo kasi guys naman, pag nagluluto ako, hindi sila kumakain. Kinakain nila, tapos natitira din, nasasayang, natatapon ko. Ako lang kakain, tapos masasayang. Hindi, sabi ko, bumili na lang kayo kung anong gusto niyo sa labas. So, minsan malaki. Minsan, isang order nila, $60, $80, no. So, masasabi ko sa food namin, every month, nakaka $1,000 kami every month sa food. Kasi minsan pagpupunta din kami sa Asian store, naman yung mga cravings ko. Yan, $1,000 sa monthly na yun. Pero parang maliit nga yan eh. Pero lagyan na natin sa $1,000 every month. Kasi every week, actually, kapag pupunta kami ng Trader Joe's, $500 ng $500. So, 1,500. So, lagyan natin 1,500 kasama yung mga Uber Eats nila tsaka DoorDash nila. So, yan guys, yung mga gastos namin every month. Pero alam nyo, caring naman siya kung wala kang 3 sasakyan at hindi ka umu-order ng DoorDash at hindi ka maraming sa cable kasi marami kaming subscribe kasi mga bata nanonood. So, kung babawasan mo ng konti, medyo mababawasan ng konti yung bills mo doon. Sa pagkain, kung kakain kayo at hindi kayo kakain sa labas, it's fine. Mababawasan din. Ano pa ba? Pero mahirap bawasan ang sa tubig, kuryente, at saka sa bahay. Nung lumipat kami dito, mura pa yung mga bahay. As in, makakabili ka pa ng mga nasa 450 na malaki. As in, malaki yung bahay. Ngayon, wala na siya. Makabili ka ng mga nasa 450 pero maliit na siya. 2 beds, 1 bath, 2 beds, 2 bath, ganun. Noon, 450, meron ka ng 5 beds, 3 baths, ganyan. Ngayon, wala na. So, medyo nagmahal na siya dito sa amin. Pati yung rent niya, nagmahal na, nasa 2,000 na. Minsan, parang kasing mahal na rin ng California. So, we're so grateful na nung time na lumipat kami dito is exactly lang sa, yung naka-time siya na hindi masyadong mahal pa yung mga bahay, yung nabili namin tong bahay na to. Actually, nung time na yon is dun siya nag-start magtaasan yung mga bahay. Pandemic nun eh. Nung lipat kami. Anyway guys, thank you for watching the videos. I'm very, very grateful na may mga nanonood kahit konti. And I'm so happy. So, yun lang. Na-share ko lang yung gastos dito namin sa Amerika. Pero, syempre yun nga, depende sa ano ninyo, ayokong sabihing luho. Kasi hindi naman luho yun. Iba talaga yung luho para sa akin. Depende sa mga gusto ninyo na bayaran or afford ninyo. Kung hindi nyo afford, huwag nyo kuhanin kasi mahirapan kayo. Dito kasi parang, sa Pilipinas pag wala kang pera, may mahihingan ka ng tulong. Kung may kamag-anak ka sa US, dito kapag wala kang pera, mahirap. So, yan. Yun lang. Thank you guys and have a good day.